morning, children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook, volume 2. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 38. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 38. All animals are different. Amma, which are the animals that carry heavy loads? Which of the animals that carry heavy loads? Add on the answer. Animals like horses, donkeys, and elephants, that carry heavy loads. Animals like horses, donkeys, and elephants that carry heavy loads. Second one. Name the animals that have shell as their coat. Animals like what are the animals? Have the shell. Turtle is having the shell. Crab is having the shell. And also the snail. Lobster. Animals like tortoise, 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 crab, lobster, and snail have shell as their coat. Animals like tortoise, crab, lobster, and snail have shell as their coat. Next, third one. What is the body movement of a snake called? The body movement of the snake is called a slither. Read out that answer. The body movement of a snake. The body movement of a snake is called a slither. Completed answers. The body movement of a snake is called a slither. Next. I'm writing the first answer. Now, fourth one. Why are the coats of animals different? Read out. The coats of animals The coats of animals. The coats of animals are different. Are different due to the coats of animals are different due to the climate and weather. Due to the climate and weather. Due to weather conditions and climate conditions, the animals' coats are different. Completed answers. Complete your notes, Nana. Completed. Next. Fifth answer. Write the coats of these animals. Porcupine, zebra, snake, bear and crocodile. How they move. What is the body part is used? Sorry, the coats of animals we had right. The coats of animals. What is the coat for the turtle? Shell. Okay. What is the coat for the rhinoceros? A hard skin. A thick skin is the coat to the rhinoceros and also elephants. Now we have read the coats of the given animals. Here. Porcupine. Porcupine is having spins on its body. Next, zebra. Zebra is having stripes. Zebra is having stripes on its body. Next, snake. Snake is having scales on its body. Bear. Bear is having fur. Bear is having fur. And crocodile. Crocodile is having scales on its body. Porcupine is having spins. Zebra is having stripes. Snake is having scales. Bear is having fur. And crocodile is having scales on its body. Complete answers. Next. Take next bit. Next bit is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A dog dashed the house. A dog guards the house. Guards means look after. A dog look after our house. Animals having feathers are called dash. animals are having feathers are called the birds. Are called the birds. Animals help us in dash ways. Animals help us in many ways. Write down many. Animals help us in many ways. A cat keeps the dash away. A cat keeps the mice away. If you have a pet cat in your house, the mice won't be in your house. మీరు ఒక పిల్లిని పెంచుకున్నారని కూడా మీకు ఎలుకల బాధ ఉండదు. Because the cat kill all the mice. Next, animals that help us in the field are dash and dash. Oxen. This is a plural of ox. Plural of ox is called oxen and buffaloes. Oxen and buffaloes are help in the field. Oxen and buffaloes are used in the field. Next, take next page. Take a next page. State true or false. A seal glides. A seal glides. Yes. A seal glides only. True. Skin of animal is used to make leather products. I said you already. With the help of the skin of animals, we use leather bags. Leather bags are made up of the skin of animals. Leather bags are made up of skin of animals. True. A rhinoceros helps us by carrying heavy loads. To carry heavy loads, we are using rhinoceros. No. False. Polar bear has fur on its body coat. Polar bear and also rabbit are having the fur on their bodies. So true. A fish swims by using its feathers. Actually, fish is having feathers. Do fish have feathers? No. Fish have fins. With the help of the fins, the fish may swim in the water. Feathers is having by the birds only. The birds have the feathers, not the fish. So that is false. Next. Puzzle is given here. First, big animal that has one horn. Big animal that has one horn is rhinoceros. Write down. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Next, this animal has a very long neck. Giraffe is having a long neck. Giraffe. 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 Man's best friend. Man's best friend is dog. Man's best friend is dog. D-O-G, dog. Next, 8th one. Lives in the cold region. Lives in the cold region is a penguin. Eighth one, Anna. Lives in the cold region is a penguin. P-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Penguin. Next, 9th one. Slow moving and has a shell. Slow moving and has a tail is a shell is a turtle. 9th one, turtle. 9th one, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. 9th one is turtle. Striped animal that looks like a horse. Striped animal that looks like a horse is a zebra. Is a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Is the 12th one. 12th one is zebra. The fastest animal on the earth is the cheetah. The fastest animal on the earth is cheetah. Write down 13th one. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest animal. Next, downwards. This animal has a long trunk. What is the animal has a long trunk? Elephant. Second one, Anna. Here, second one, no? E-L-E-P-H. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant is having the long trunk. This domestic animal runs fast. What is the animal? Runs very fast. Fourth one. Here. Which can run faster? Domestic animal. Which can run very fast? That is horse. H-O-R-S-E. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse rider. This animal loves bananas. Which animal loves bananas? Monkey. Monkey loves bananas, no? Fifth one. Here. Fifth one is here. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Next, some say this animal has 9 bursts. Is a cat. Wait, is a cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Write down. 7th one. C-A-T, cat. He has big ears and likes to hop. Is turtle. 9th one, turtle. Already written on turtle. Oh, long ears. This rabbit. Long ears rabbit. 10th one. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Next, king of the jungle is lion. Lion is the king of the. Lion is the king of the forest. L-I-O-N. Lion. Here L. This is the 11th one. L-I-O-N. Lion. Complete your notes. Today's class is completed, Nana. Bye.